Hey everyone, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Flix HQ on your Amazon FireStick device step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, move to the left on your FireStick home screen, scroll down, and click on the search option. Once you are on the search screen, you will see a keypad that allows you to search for any app available on the Amazon App Store. Today, we are looking for the Downloader app, so go ahead and type Downloader. After typing just a few letters, the Downloader app will appear in the search results. Scroll down and click on it, then select the bright orange Downloader icon. Here you will see the option to download and install the app on your FireStick device. Press the download button using your remote and wait a few seconds while the app installs, depending on your internet speed. Once the Downloader app is installed, we need to give it permission to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. To do this, hold down the Home button on your remote for about 2 to 3 seconds and then click on Settings. From there, move right and select My Fire TV. If you see Developer Options, that's perfect. If you do not see it, don't worry, because it is very easy to enable. Simply click on About and then click on your FireStick name about 7 times until you see a message saying Developer Options are enabled. After that, press the back button on your remote, scroll down, and open Developer Options. Inside Developer Options, turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. If you are using an Amazon FireStick 4K Max, your menu may look a little different. In that case, just make sure the Downloader app is turned on. Now that everything is set up, let's open the Downloader app. Hold down the Home button again, select Apps, and scroll down to the bottom of the list where the most recently installed apps appear. Click on Downloader to open it. When you launch the app for the first time, it will ask for a few permissions, so simply click Allow and then click OK. You will now see the home screen of the Downloader app with a menu on the left side and a search bar in the center of the screen. Click on the search bar by pressing the remote's center button twice. A keyboard will appear on your screen that allows you to enter a code or website link. Since we are installing the Flix HQ application today, enter the downloader code shown on your screen and then click Go. Wait a few seconds while it connects to the server. Once connected, the Flix HQ app will begin downloading automatically. This may take a moment depending on your internet connection. After the download is complete, you will be taken directly to the installation screen. Move right and click on Install, then give your FireStick a few moments while the app finishes installing. When the installation is finished, click Done. Now delete the installation file because we no longer need it. Click Delete, move left, and click Delete again to confirm. That's it. Flix HQ is now successfully installed on your FireStick. To open it, hold down the Home button, select Apps, and scroll to the bottom of the list. You will find Flix HQ there. Go ahead and launch the app and start exploring its content on your Amazon FireStick device. If you enjoyed this video and want to support the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.